Welcome to the future of creativity. Introducing the Project AI Kit, your essential guide to unlocking incredible results with artificial intelligence. Are you feeling overwhelmed by the potential of AI, but unsure how to actually get the brilliant results you see online? You are not alone. Are you struggling with creative block or spending too much time trying to generate usable ideas? AI is the solution, but you need the right key. AI is incredibly powerful, but its output quality is directly proportional to the quality of your input. Garbage in, garbage out, right? That's why we created the Project AI Kit. It's time to stop guessing and start generating brilliant results. This is the ultimate digital toolkit designed to maximize your AI results, no matter your skill level. It's everything you need in one powerful bundle. The Project AI Kit is a comprehensive bundle designed for immediate transformation in your workflow and creative output. First up, Component 1, the 100 AI Prompts PDF. Imagine having instant access to proven prompts across every niche. This guide covers diverse categories and applications, from marketing copy and digital art generation to complex code and workflow automation. See immediate results with examples of high-quality AI outputs, showcasing the precision and creativity unlocked by our expertly crafted prompts. Next, Component 2, the How to Use Manual. Knowing the prompt is only half the battle. Knowing how to use it is mastery. This step-by-step guide offers a comprehensive overview of prompt engineering, giving you the power to master any AI tool you encounter. Learn the secrets to refining, optimizing, and perfecting your AI instructions to achieve predictable, professional-grade results every single time. Component 3, the 5 Best AI Tools Guide. Stop wasting time wading through countless options. We reveal the top 5 essential AI tools, categorized by their best use cases, so you know exactly which platform to use for your specific needs. Save countless hours of research and testing. With the Project AI Kit, you get straight to creating amazing output immediately. Finally, Component 4, the Use Cases and Examples section, bringing everything together. Explore real-world examples of how professionals in marketing, business, and tech are using this kit to achieve massive success and productivity gains. This isn't just theory. It's practical application designed to transform your workflow and output from day one. The time for passive learning is over. Stop guessing and start generating truly brilliant results today. For a limited time, get the complete Project AI Kit at a special launch price. Don't miss out on your competitive edge. Click the link below to download the Project AI Kit and unlock your creative potential now.